The shocking truth about oxygen and your lungs. Have you ever felt like no matter how deeply you breathe, your body just isn't getting enough oxygen? Maybe you've been told that your lung damage from asthma, COPD, or other lung conditions is permanent and you'll always struggle to breathe. But what if I told you that oxygen isn't the real problem? The real issue is how well your body uses oxygen, and that's something you can improve starting today. In this video, I'm going to share 3 powerful science-backed ways to improve your oxygen utilization, clear your lungs, and even start repairing the damage. At the end, I'll introduce you to a breakthrough approach that helps regenerate lung tissue naturally. So stay tuned. Most people believe that if you're struggling to breathe, the solution is to take in more oxygen through inhalers, oxygen tanks, or steroids. But that's only part of the equation. Your body needs oxygen to produce energy, but when your lungs are damaged, much of the oxygen you breathe goes to waste. Why? Because of something called oxidative stress, a process that creates harmful molecules called free radicals. These free radicals damage your lung cells, reduce your energy levels, make it harder for your body to use oxygen efficiently. But here's the good news. You can reduce oxidative stress and improve your oxygen utilization naturally. What are the 3 natural ways to improve oxygen utilization? Tip number 1. Boost antioxidants to stop oxygen waste. One of the best ways to improve oxygen efficiency is by increasing your intake of antioxidants. These are like little superheroes that neutralize free radicals, allowing your body to use oxygen for energy instead of waste. Some of the best antioxidant-rich foods include berries, blueberries, raspberries, acai, dark leafy greens, spinach, kale, spirulina, and chlorella. These superfoods also increase oxygen transport in your blood. Tip number 2. Iron and nitric oxide, the oxygen carriers. Iron is essential for red blood cell production, which helps carry more oxygen throughout your body. Good sources include spinach, lentils, grass-fed meats. But another powerful oxygen booster is nitric oxide, which opens up blood vessels and improves circulation. Boost it naturally with beets, arugula, dark chocolate. Tip number 3. Activate Copper Peptide GHK-Cu for lung repair. Now, here's where the real breakthrough comes in. If you're dealing with lung scarring, fibrosis, or chronic inflammation, you need more than just better oxygen efficiency. You need lung repair. This is where Copper Peptide GHK-Cu comes in. It's a naturally occurring peptide in your body that activates fibroblasts to repair lung tissue, reduces inflammation, supports stem cell activation for deeper healing. I know that struggling to breathe can make you feel trapped, but focusing on better oxygen utilization, reducing oxidative stress, and activating Copper Peptide GHK-Cu, you can take control of your breathing and start feeling better. If you'd like to learn more about how Copper Peptide GHK-Cu can support your lung regeneration, click the link below for more details. Thank you for watching, and remember, your breath is your power. Let's help you take it back.